All right, guys, today we're shipping out a TimberTech AZEK Porch Collection order. It's going over to Rochester, New York. The order we're shipping out, it's the 4-inch, the more narrow Porch Collection. It's Slate Grey. You can see it's like a neutral gray color. It has that nice vivid wood grain. Looks pretty good. So that's the Slate Grey. That's the one we're shipping out over to Rochester. Just waiting to package it up. So there's a couple different color collections that you can get in this porch, TimberTech AZEK porch decking. Like I said, that's the Slate Grey. This right here, it's a neutral color. It's white. It's called Oyster. It has the same wood grain, but it's a very light, almost a white color. So that's the same wood grain. And then these are another porch collection over here. You can see this is a totally different grain pattern. It has less of a vivid grain kind of embossment, but you know, it still has, this one has more of like a textured wood grain, but it's still the porch, tongue and groove porch, TimberTech AZEK decking, but it just has a different kind of grain pattern on it. That one right here, that's weathered teak. This one is dark hickory. You can see that's a dark gray, a really kind of brown dark gray. So if you want a darker brown gray, that's dark hickory. And then mahogany is more of a warm brown. So it's going away from the gray, kind of a more brown color. And then finally, this is similar to the Slate Grey. This is called Coastline, but you can see it has a different kind of more subtle grain pattern, more straight grain, not those big, you know, kind of wood grain. This is more of like a straight grain. So Coastline, similar to the Slate Grey, but you can see that's a whole range of colors you can choose from TimberTech AZEK Porch Collection. You can buy it right now. We package it up, ship it to you, ready to go.